friends, this is Beta. Today let me introduce our laser welding machine, and today let me weld a double wire fitting with fish scale for you. This is display of the machine. Let me introduce how to adjusting the parameter of the machine. There are about 100 languages, so you no need to worry about I'm a foreigner, how can I operate about the machine? There are about 100 languages, so no need to worry about that. It's very easy thing. It is in the machine. At the below is the water chiller, above is the laser source. Can you see a screen? QR screen. If you are worried about the machine parts is real or copy, you can screen the QR. Also have nameplate. Nameplate have encoding. You can encoding the nameplate is also okay. This is the oxygen tank of the machine. And the left is the left of the machine. This wire feeding machine. Can you see the wire feeding machine? Let me see inner of the machine. This is the inner machine. The black one is the main board, and they also have switch power supply, 24 open power supply, and many different machine parts. The black one is main board, and we use chili main board. Do you know chili? Let me weld a double wire fitting with fish scale for you. And it's very easy to use it. Green hand learn 10 minutes can weld a very beautiful fish scale. Can reach about at least 8 years. Weld ingenious effects, seed effects. The width is 14. See the effects. It's a green hand learn 10 minutes. Thank you.